It's Wednesday, March 12th. I'm buying some Microsoft here at 381.04. This is here at the blue line, kind of the two down, two up. Took out the lows of the day, had the reversal. I think it can make another push, to take out this pivot right here above, in the 382 area, and then we'll see if it could eat away into this first bar. It's one of the stronger stocks, in terms of opening price action that's not really following through much below its first bar low. It took out the pre-market lows. It made one push there, tried to make another push. We're getting the reversal. So I think at a minimum you're going to broaden out, above this little short-term consolidation area up here to scale outside runners trade. And then we'll see maybe if we can get a little bit of green heading into this, taking out the midpoint of this first bar. I'm not positive of that, but given that it's one of the strongest stocks, given that the market itself is kind of at inflection point, the SPY has hit its kind of target, it might be ready for a little bit of a pause to the downside. I'm going to give it a shot here, just looking at the strength of this one compared to some other stocks. I'm watching Meta, that's moving a lot lower, and some other ones. Microsoft is holding up a little better, so that's why I'm giving it a shot. I think it should broaden out above here, and we'll see if, maybe we can get a little green heading up higher than that. Overall, we're trying to get, if they're taking out this pivot low, we're trying to get a 2-up day, like with a lot of stocks in here to start the week. It's a little tricky. They're not really building momentum to the downside, so it might need to take a little liquidity out on the upside before possibly rolling over, and maybe by the end of the week we get a reversal to the upside. So I'm going to give this one a shot just for a very short-term trade, just given the fact I think the market is ready maybe to pause here a little bit intraday, and Microsoft seems to be one of the stronger stocks, not having a hard time on its inside price action, really building momentum to the downside. So let's see if we can get above its open, turn it a little green on the day, and who knows, maybe by the end of the day you get a 2-up day, although I'm not expecting that, but price action will guide the way if that develops.